Hello. Here's a little guide on how to use the Migration Hub in Marlee. So as you come across from F4S, you'll see that we don't have the concept any longer of personal connections. People join you in Marlee inside of a space. So in Marlee, you'll see, and at the moment I have my Marlee team space selected, but inside of this drop-down menu, I have a list of all of the other spaces that I am currently a member of. Now, when I go to my migration, or I can click here, but also down here, in here, you'll see your personal connections. So this list here are all the people that I have a personal connection to. And then as I scroll down further, you'll see that for some people that I'm personally connected to, they are already inside of a space that we share. So I don't need to migrate those connections necessarily unless I want to put them inside of a different space. So if I wanted to move someone into a particular space, so let's say I wanted to move Bethany into a new space so that I can see her results inside of Marlee. Down here, you'll see Migrate to, and you're able to choose the space that you want to move her to, or you can choose Create a Space down the bottom as well. Now, when you do that, Bethany will receive an invitation from Marlee to let her know that you want her to join a particular space. The reason that she'll have an invite is because when she joins that space, she's going to be sharing her data, her motivational analysis results with everybody else inside of that space. So that's the importance there of that invite and getting her permission to do that. If you didn't necessarily want to move people into a space, you can click on Bethany's name, for example, and you can see her motivations because the data is still visible to you because you previously had a personal connection. Now, these results are in here just like it looks like inside of Marlee, so you can absolutely see those results here on a one-to-one basis. At some point, the Migration Hub will likely disappear from Marlee. So we would recommend that if you want to keep the access to the personal connections, that you do organize them into spaces. For those of you that need to have one-to-one sharing of data, you can do that. So if, for example, if I use Bethany again as my case study here, I can choose to create a space that's just with Bethany. And I can just have a space that is Bethany and Jade, and I can invite Bethany into that space. And then the only people that are going to see those results are me and Bethany. Bethany still needs to accept the invitation, though, to join that space. Okay, so I hope that answers all your questions. But if you have any, you need any help or you want to talk through anything, you can always reach out to the Marlee team at hello@getmarlee.com, or use this little chat bot down in the bottom of the Marlee app, and you can send us a message in here and we will reply. Wonderful. Thank you so much for watching the recording.